Hey everyone! Today I will be sharing a very simple look perfect for those of you working from home. Work from home makeup? I mean, who does that, right? But give it a try. I've tried it a couple of times and I feel more confident and work output is way much better. So after doing your usual skincare regimen, let's begin now. Begin by using a lightweight concealer of choice. For this tutorial, I'm using Revlon Color Stay Full Coverage Concealer in shade Light Medium. Keep in mind that I won't be using foundation in this tutorial, so I am applying the concealer all over my face that needed extra coverage and blend everything with a damp beauty blender sponge. Next, I went straight to my brows with Elana's newest Life-Proof Brow Pencil in collaboration with Project Vanity. They released 3 shades but I picked light brown. Next step, set your concealer. You can opt to use your favorite powder foundation for extra coverage, but since this is just a simple and natural makeup, I picked a Rice Loose Powder from the brand Lady Audrey. If you have oily skin, leave the loose powder for a couple of minutes. As for me, I have dry skin, so I am removing it immediately. Next step, I'm using Makeup Forever's Matte Velvet Skin shade Y505 powder as my eyeshadow. I also like to use this as my contour powder and it just gives a nice warmth on my really sallow skin. Don't forget to apply on the lower lash line and the sides of my nose. Just make sure to blend everything. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm finally using a mascara from Claudia Schiffer, which is the Super Long Lash Mascara, which really worked for me. Curl your lashes and apply 2 coats to 3 coats of your favorite mascara. Thanks to the newest Sansan Multi-Weight Chic Lip Eye Tint, I am loving this shade called Rock in Rio because it works so well on my cheeks and lips. A tip for you if you can't live without eyeliner, use your favorite waterproof mascara as your eyeliner because it will last longer. and you are ready to rock the corporate world in the comforts of your home. Take care and thanks for watching.